Hi students, I hope you have gone through the concept of pair of, not pair of, it's a linear equation in two variables. In 9th standard you have linear equation in two variables, and in 10th standard you have pair of linear equations in two variables. We are right now into linear equations in two variables. We have seen that linear equation in two variables, if it is a linear equation in one variable, it will have finite solution, only one solution will be there. Right? And if it is a linear equation in two variable, it can have infinite solutions. Well, today we will do problems based on that also. Meanwhile, I got few problems for you. Kindly note down. If 0 comma a, the question, if 0 comma a and b comma 0 are the solutions for the following linear equations, find a and b. So two different cases are given to you. Now, when I told that 0 comma a and b comma 0 are the solutions of this linear equation, I can substitute. I will say substitute a comma 0. So when I substitute a comma 0, you will get 8a minus 0 is equal to 34. So you will have 8a is equal to 34. A is equal to 34 by 8. To 4s are, to 17s are, a is equal to 17 by 4. Alright, next I will substitute b comma 0. When you substitute b comma 0 in this equation, it is 8, this is 0 comma a. I made a mistake, right? So it is 0 comma a, it is a comma 0, right? And it is 0 comma b. Alright, so substitute 0 comma b. When you substitute 0 comma b, what will you get? 8 into 0 minus, what is y value? Y value is b. So it is b is equal to 34. 8 into 0 is 0. You have minus b is equal to 34. Therefore, b is equal to minus 34. You got the value of a, you got the value of b if you substitute a comma 0 and 0 comma b respectively. Similarly, here also, I substitute a comma 0. When you substitute a comma 0, it is a 5a minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Again, it implies 5a. See, instead of y, what I have to write? 0. So it is 2 into 0. So it is a 5a, 2 into 0 is 0, plus 3. Plus 3 will go to the other side. You will have minus 3. A is equal to minus 3 by 5. Also, substitute 0 comma b. When you substitute 0 comma b, what are you going to have? It is a 5 into 0 minus 2 into b plus 3 is equal to 0. It is 0 minus 2b is equal to minus 3. Minus minus cancel. B is equal to 3 by 2. You got the value of b, you got the value of a. So check in the textbook whether it is 0 comma a or a comma 0 or 0 comma b. Accordingly, if it is a comma 0, this is the result. Now, in the similar way, there is one more question. Find the value of k if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution for this equation. See, whenever it is a solution, what you have to do? You have to substitute. I will say since x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is one of a solution, is a solution of 2x plus 3y is equal to k. What I can do? I can substitute. So therefore 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to k. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 is equal to k. What is 4 plus 3? 7. So what is k is equal to? You got k is equal to 7. So once you know k is equal to 7, you will get a total linear equation. So I will say therefore the linear equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. Now what is he asking you? Find two more solutions for the resultant equation. Now this is the resultant equation. Apart from x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1, he is asking you to find two more solutions. How many solutions are possible? Infinite solutions are possible. Another two we have to write. So how will you write? First I will say put x is equal to 0. When you put x is equal to 0, it is 2 into 0 plus 3y is equal to 7. So 2 into 0 is 0. Means what is y is equal to? 7 by 3. Now I will say put y is equal to 0. When you put y is equal to 0, it is 2 into x plus 3 into 0 is equal to 7. 3 into 0 is 0. Now you have 2x is equal to 7 or x is equal to 7 by 3. Now I will write therefore the two other solutions are, now first solution, when x is 0, what is y value? 7 by 3. So 0 comma 7 by 3. And now y is 0 and x is 7 by 3. So it is 7 by 3 comma 0. So these are the two additional solutions. I am sure you have followed. Now what you do is you pause the video and then try to copy these things, and meanwhile we'll go for the next question. Yes children, the new question, but before we go I ask you to copy. Did you copy as it is? Make sure you don't copy it blindly. Here you have 2x is equal to 7, so x is equal to 7 by 2. Alright, so make sure that you don't do these mistakes. X is equal to 7 by 2. So make that correction. Now we will move forward with a new question which is there in front of you. Now check which of the following solutions, which of the following are the solutions for the equation. Alright, so what you need to do, a very simple straightforward question. What I will do is substitute 0 comma 2 in 2x minus 5y is equal to 10. So 2 into 0 minus 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 2 into 0 is 0. Minus 5 2's I is 10 is equal to 10. Is minus 10 is equal to 10 true? No, it is false. So is 0 comma 2 satisfying? No, 0 comma 2 does not satisfy. So 0 comma 2 is not the solution. Is not the solution for the given equation. Next, 0 comma minus 2. So substitute 0 comma minus 2 in 2x minus 5y is equal to 10. So 2 into 0 minus 5 into minus 2 is equal to 10. 2 into 0 0 minus minus plus 5 2's are 10 is equal to 10. So 10 is equal to 10, is it equal? So it is satisfying. So I will say therefore 0 comma minus 2 is the solution, is the solution for the given equation. Next one, substitute 5 comma 0 in 2x minus 5y is equal to 10. So it is 2 into 5 minus 5 into 0 is equal to 10. 2 5's are 10. This is 0. 10 is equal to 10. Is it true? Yes sir. So I will say 5 comma 0 is a solution. Is a solution. It can be one of the solution. Now again I will substitute. Substitute 1 by 2 comma 2 in 2x minus 5y is equal to 10. What do I do? So it is 2 into 1 by 2 minus 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So 2 cancel. You have 1 minus 5 2's are 10 is equal to 10. What is 1 minus 10? Minus 9. Is 1 minus 9 is equal to 10? Is it true? No, it is false. So what will you say? Is not a solution, right? Is not a solution to the given equation. So children, that is how you will check whether the given point is a solution or whether it is not a solution. If it is a solution, it has to satisfy. The truth value has to be there, is it not? So I am sure you understood this. You copy this. Meanwhile, we'll go for the next question. Yeah. Children, please observe the next question. If x is equal to 2 minus alpha and y is equal to 2 plus alpha is a solution of the equation 3x minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. It's a solution, right, for these values. Find the value of alpha, first point, and find 3 more solutions for the resultant. Means after you get the value of alpha, whatever answer you get, what are the other solutions he is asking you. First, let us try to find the value of alpha. I will say substitute x is equal to 2 minus alpha and y is equal to 2 plus alpha in 3x minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. Why I am substituting? What authority you got to substitute? Because they are the solutions. So I will substitute 3 into what is x? 2 minus alpha minus 2 into what is y? 2 plus alpha plus 6 is equal to 0. 3 2's are 6 minus 3 alpha. 2 2's are 4 minus 2 alpha plus 6 minus 3 alpha minus 2 alpha minus 5 alpha. 6 minus 4 is 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 5 alpha plus 8 is equal to 0. Minus 5 alpha is equal to minus 8. Alpha is equal to minus 8 by minus 5. Minus minus cancel. Alpha is equal to 8 by 5. So the question asked was find the value of alpha. I have found the value of alpha. It is done. Now he is asking you what are the other solutions. What will I do? What is the first solution that you write? So therefore x will be equal to what? X will be equal to 2 minus alpha. What is alpha? 8 by 5. So 5 2s are 10, 10 minus 8. You take the LCM, is it not? 5 2s are 10, 10 minus 8 will be 2 by 5. X is equal to 2 by 5. Again, what is y is equal to? 2 plus alpha, means it is 2 plus 8 by 5. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 8, 18 by 5. So you got y value, you got x value. So 2 by 5 comma 18 by 5 is one of the solutions. More 3 solutions you want. What will you do to get more 3 solutions? What you do is you put x is equal to 0. Any value of x you assume other than 2 by 5 and proceed. Put x is equal to 0. When you put x is equal to 0, what will you have? 3 into 0 minus 2 into y plus 6 is equal to 0. 3 into 0 is 0. Minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 2y is equal to minus 6. Minus minus cancel. Y is equal to 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 0 comma 3. 0 comma 3 is one of the solution. Like that. Next I will put x is equal to 1. When I put x is equal to 1, what will happen? 3 into 1 minus 2 into y plus 6 is equal to 0. What is 3 into 1? 3. 3 plus 6, minus 2y will go that side, plus 2y. 3 plus 6 is 9 by 2 is equal to y. So 1 comma 9 by 2 is one of the solution. Now I will go with some other value of x. Y only value of x, you can put value of y also. This time I will put y is equal to 0. So own choice. For that value of y, what is the value of x? Together they satisfy that equation, and that is called as solution. So if I put y is equal to 0, it is 3 into x, 3 into x, and what is y value? 0. Minus 2 into 0 plus 6 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to minus 6. X is equal to minus 6 by 3 is what? Minus 2. So therefore minus 2 comma 0 is also one of the solution. So we found the value of alpha, and for that value of alpha this is the solution, and these three are the different solutions, 3 extra solutions. Now children, there is one more question in front of you. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 is a solution for the equation 3x plus ay is equal to 6, find the value of a. How will you do that? I am giving you a hint. I am not doing this problem. I am giving you a hint. Since this is a solution, substitute the value of x and y. When you substitute the value of x and y, you will automatically get the value of a, and I want the value of a in the comment box. Let me see who answers that. So meanwhile, you understood this. Let us move forward in the next class about the linear equation concept and how it is represented graphically. Thank you, bye bye, and take care.